Okay, Dyson owners, does this look familiar? You press the button on your high-tech Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer, expecting it to spring to life. But instead, you get nothing. Just silence. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. This is the sound of a faulty PCB in your beloved Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. You might have noticed it, a flicker, a sudden shut-off, or maybe it just stopped responding altogether. What happens when that crucial PCB fails completely? Well, best case scenario, you're stuck with bad hair days. Worst case, continued attempts to power it on could lead to further internal damage. Suddenly, that investment in premium styling transforms into an expensive paperweight. Plus, attempting DIY fixes on complex electronics like a Dyson can lead to further damage, potentially voiding any remaining warranty. Suddenly, that initial inconvenience turns into a costly replacement. Let's face it, a bad hair day is one thing. A hairdryer that could potentially, well, let's just say spontaneously combust, is a whole other level of follicle frustration. Don't let your quest for perfect hair turn into a smoky situation. But don't worry, RoboCare specializes in bringing high-end devices like your Dyson back to life. At RoboCare, we understand the intricate electronics of your Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer. Our expert technicians can diagnose and repair those faulty PCBs, preventing costly replacements and ensuring your styling sessions remain smooth and spark-free. Using specialized diagnostic equipment, we meticulously analyze the PCB to pinpoint the exact point of failure. This allows us to go beyond guesswork and implement precise repairs. Our approach involves a thorough inspection of the damaged PCB, identification of faulty components, and their replacement with a genuine component. We ensure that every repair restores your Dyson Supersonic Hair Dryer to its optimal performance. Now, let's see the results. Watch this. Our skilled team has expertly repaired the faulty PCB, restoring this Dyson Supersonic to its former glory. Now, smooth, salon-quality results are just a switch away. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
So, my experience with RoboCare, absolutely fantastic. They took a situation that felt like a really expensive dead end and turned it around completely. They were professional, communicative, transparent about the costs, and most importantly, they fixed my Dyson when I thought it was beyond repair.
Choose prevention, choose expertise, choose RoboCare. Get your Dyson Supersonic back to its powerful best and keep those perfect hair days coming. Visit our website today or call us to schedule your repair.